The prospect of extraterrestrial consciousness raises a sea of philosophical, biological, and scientific questions. The universe is vast and still largely unexplored, and with trillions of stars, each potentially hosting planets, the idea that consciousness only arose on Earth seems improbable. However, if life exists elsewhere, how might that consciousness manifest? Earthly consciousness, shaped by billions of years of evolution, reflects our survival strategies and ecological niches. Fish developed streamlined bodies to navigate water, while birds evolved wings for flight. Similarly, consciousness may have evolved differently in another world depending on its environmental requirements. On a distant planet with lower gravity than Earth, beings might rely more on flight or floating for movement. Their sensory perceptions, cognitive processes, and even conceptions of reality might differ significantly. The notion of consciousness is tied closely to the structure of the brain, and by extension, the body. Carbon-based life forms on Earth, using water as a solvent and DNA as a blueprint, might be fundamentally different from hypothetical silicon-based life, where ammonia is the solvent. If extraterrestrial life developed under different chemical conditions, their neural constructs, if they even possess neurons, may function unlike anything we can fathom. Their way of processing information, making decisions, and experiencing reality could be entirely foreign. Communication presents another significant factor. Human language is deeply rooted in shared understanding and a set of symbols and sounds. Extraterrestrial beings may have developed alternative communication methods, perhaps relying on electromagnetic signals or bioluminescent displays. Their modes of networking and expressing could alter what we know of consciousness. There is also a possibility that extraterrestrial consciousness might be more or less advanced than ours. They might possess a hive mind, akin to certain insect species, functioning with a collective consciousness. Alternatively, their consciousness might be entirely individualistic, disconnected from others of their kind. As our technology advances, we stand on the cusp of potentially encountering extraterrestrial intelligence. Whether we ever establish contact, remain locked in imagination, or finally find tangible proof, pondering the diversity of consciousness enriches our understanding of life itself.